Hey guys, this is Renu Mahajan. I welcome you to my channel. Yes, we are going on vacation for 12 days and I'm just carrying just a carry-on and a small personal item. This just fits under the seat very well and it is great for traveling because it's very light. I will show you how I do my packing. I put up everything on the hangers and on the bed, whatever I need to carry. And believe me, all that you see on my bed and all that you see on the hangers, it will all fit in my carry on luggage. As you can see, I will start with my toiletry bag. I have a couple of night suits that I'm carrying, and I'll be carrying enough panties, bras, and also my socks. And all of these I'm going to pack into small packages. As you can see, they fit in very nicely in the luggage. And this is my, the chargers and leads and everything. And this is my little medicine bag that I'm carrying with me. This is my little backpack that I always travel with. It fits in its own pocket. I just love it. And this is the jewelry that I'm carrying, and I'll put it in a little jewelry case that I'll show you later on. And here's my makeup kit that I've been using for the past 10 years or more. This is a great makeup kit. See, on the cover I have a little zippered pocket where I can put my makeup pads, and here's a little mirror and my eyeshadow palette and a couple of headbands, hairbands. And look at this, you have space to put in all your brushes and everything else. The little compact, my blush on, everything. It fits perfectly. And everything is safe in there, so I just love it. And let me tell you, a couple of times I have gotten my carry-on luggage all banged up, but the makeup inside my makeup kit has been perfectly all right both the times. And here are the clothes that I'm going to carry: 3 dress pants, 2 capris, and 1 lounge pants. And also I'm bringing in 1 skirt, long skirt. That's about it. And then I'm carrying quite a few tops, actually, the blouses. And I have a couple of casual jackets and 1 wind cheater jacket. And I'm also carrying 3 cardigans or shrugs. And I'm also carrying 1 more gym pants. And now let me show you how I'll pack my jewelry. This is my little pouch. It has little pockets in it where you can separate your jewelry, your bracelets, your necklaces, and your earrings. And it also has some sort of foam all around it, so your jewelry is pretty safe in it. There we go. See how nicely it fits everything there. And in the description below, I will tell you where I got all the stuff, the packing cubes and everything else, my makeup kit, and you can just check it out in the description. And there we are. My jewelry case is ready too. And this is the backpack that I showed you earlier. See, it's a full-size backpack, and if you were to travel uh, with some extra, shopping, it will come in handy. And now I'm going to pack all my clothes in the little packing cubes that I have. They are just great. They take less space in the luggage, and as you can see, I have quite a bit of stuff, and I'm only going to carry my carry on and my little personal item. So I have to pack everything in those two little pieces that I have, and you will see, like magic, everything is going to fit in there for sure. Over the years, I have become really good at packing, and especially ever since I discovered these little packing cubes, they have made my life really easy. As you can see, you can pack more things in a little space, and because in the packing cubes you take out the air, which takes extra space anyways, so you can pack more. And some people, they roll all their clothes, but I usually fold them, except for maybe undergarments. I roll them, my socks or my undies, but otherwise I just fold them and they are okay. I can't say one or the other method is good. Whatever is comfortable for you, you can use that method. As you can see, most of my clothes are already gone in half the side of my carry-on, and most of my mess is vanishing pretty fast. And whatever is left, I will put in my little personal suitcase. I don't know what to call it. It is like a makeup kit come suitcase, I guess, and it will fit in my shoes neatly on one side, and the rest of the things that are left will go on the other side. I will have to make a few adjustments here and there, but it will all fit in nicely. My chargers, my toiletry bag, everything fit in properly. There we are. Le voila. Everything is good. I'm ready to travel. So guys, if you like the tips that I gave you for packing, please give me a thumbs up, and happy travels. Please subscribe my channel for more such videos. Bye for now.